Hey, it's Chris Fuller with Pioneer RESA. I've got a quick tech tool for you today. We're going to head over to Google Sheets, maybe specifically for a social studies class or a lesson where you need to create a timeline of events. Google Sheets updated and added a insert timeline feature. So you already knew about charts and graphs and stuff like that. So here we've got a timeline and a list of events set up for the Civil War, start date and end date for the battles, the name of the battle, a short description, and then the location as well. We can easily just click and drag and then head over here to insert and then click on timeline and just say, hey, select that data. So let's do that. It's already selected. Hit OK. And you've got a timeline right here. But if you go a step further and do a little bit of color coding, conditional formatting is the big word for that. So I went ahead and color coded. So we can see a lot happened in Virginia, there, and some in Tennessee. And then just one in Mississippi, one in Georgia, stuff like that. How can we represent that and make it a lot easier to see and maybe begin to analyze that data? So we're just going to head over again and create a timeline. And so it's going to reference back to the color of that cell and then color code our little block right here. So we get a little more visual feedback and visual data. Anytime you need a timeline with your class, this is an easy and quick way to knock one out.